Welcome back, everyone. Welcome to my YouTube channel, Victor the Analyst. So in this section, we're going to be talking about data cleaning. So what is data cleaning? Data cleaning is the process of preparing data to identify and fixing errors and inconsistency or accuracy. So the steps of data cleaning, we have to remove duplicates, handle missing error, correct errors like typos, and standardize formats, and filter irrelevant data, and manage outliers and validate accuracy. So join me as we carry on our data cleaning in this project. Thank you. So in this our video, we'll be doing our data cleaning process. So the first process is we are going to get data through this get data options here. We can get data from here, and we can actually get data from this pan. So we are going to do what we call ETL, which is extract, transform, and load. So this is, I'll click on this get data drop down, and mind you, my data is in Excel format. So if it's in text and CSV, I'll choose text and CSV, but now it's in Excel format. I'm going to click on Excel workbook, and I'll select this. Now the next thing, I'll go to the desktop, then I'll go to the YouTube video, then I'll select this is the data we're going to be working on, and I'll click on open. So what I've done right now, I've extracted my data. So this is going to take us to Power Query. So what is Power Query? Power Query is a software, or let me say is an add-in that is actually embedded in Power BI to manipulate data and clean data. So this is the same work an SQL would do. No, SQL is actually used for manipulating data and for cleaning data. So now this is, I'll select this and I'll click on transform. Now in our case, if this data was clean, I will click on load, but now it is dirty, so I'll click on transform. So like I said, this will take us to Power Query. So in Power Query, that's where we do the data cleaning transformation. Alright, now let's proceed. So I would click on use first row as headers. Then that was my header, then I'll promote it to the header. So you can look at this now. This apply steps. This is the apply steps, meaning that once I do a step, this apply step comes up. Now the next thing is that we are going to check inside here. Let's see if we have any data that is not aligned. So we see that we're going to uncheck this and we'll uncheck this. I'll click on OK. Now let's look at the next one. Okay, now let's check for if there's any duplicates in our data set. I'll go to remove rows, or let me say keep rows, and I'll say keep duplicates. So this table is empty, meaning there is no duplicates. I'll cancel these steps. So now let's check for our data type. Now this data type is correct. This is showing text, which is correct. Employee number should be text data type. Surname should be text data type. Now once it's showing ABC, it means that it's a text. Sex to the same thing correct, and the designation the same thing correct. Now we have the education, which is text. GL, the GL will be in whole number. Year will be in O number. Now we go to the date of birth, which is going to be in date. Then the date of first appointment be in date. The date of present appointment will be in date. Now we'll go to the next one. We have the state of origin, we have the religion, and we have the phone number and the email. So these are actually correct, and so our can family say we are done with our data cleaning. Then we just have to, so I'm going to rename this to, let me rename this my name to let's change it to, okay, we can leave it like this. Let's leave it like this. Okay, employee details is actually okay. Let us do close and apply. So we've done extract with transform. Now we load to our Power BI for visualization.